In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check contact numbers in your Google account. This process is simple yet essential, especially if you want to ensure your contacts are up to date or need to manage them efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through each step carefully. First, we need to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, navigate to the Google homepage. This is the cornerstone for accessing all your Google services, including your contacts. On the top right corner, you'll see the option to sign in. Let's go ahead and click sign in. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials at this point. Enter your email address followed by your password and you'll be signed in. It's always a good practice to ensure that your login details are kept secure and known only to you. Once you've successfully signed in, the next step is to access your Google account home. You can do this by simply visiting myaccount.google.com. This page is your gateway to manage all the settings related to your Google account, including your personal information, data, and privacy settings. After you've reached your Google account home, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll notice several tabs, but for our purpose today you'll want to select the People and Sharing section. This is where all your contact details are stored and managed. Now in the People and Sharing section, look for the Contacts option. Go ahead and click on it. This leads you to a comprehensive overview of all the contacts you have stored in your Google account. It's quite handy because whether they're saved from your mobile device, synced from your email, or manually entered, everything will appear right here. By following these steps carefully, you'll successfully land on the page where all your contact numbers are displayed. From this page, you have the flexibility to view, edit, and manage your contacts as you see fit. It's a good time to review your list and perhaps clean up any outdated or duplicate entries to keep your contact information accurate and current. Remember, managing your contacts is not just about organizing phone numbers, it's also about ensuring that crucial information is easily accessible whenever you need it. Keeping your Google contacts up to date will save you time and effort in the long run. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to check contact numbers in your Google account. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.